one-line na rin yung voice night.
There's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
It's very nice to meet you too, actually.
Yes, I'm not recording any video right now. I'm actually uploading it using my new camera.
You're uploading it?
Yes, yes.
Hey, teka lang, yun din gamit nila rin.
Look, Mom, ganito yun, ha?
Yun din gamit nila rin, ati sa IG.
That's right. This is
in fairness sa kanya. Medyo ay talk na town siya these days.
Yes, it is. This is actually the ultra amazing Samsung Smart Camera WV150F.
Ano? Isa pa.
Samsung Smart Camera WV150F. Yes.
Okay, ngayon alam ko na kung bakit nagustuhan ni Lorraine. Iba na naman siya sa mga reasons na kaya nagustuhan ni sa YG. Ikaw, bakit mo nagustuhan naman?
I actually like this camera because it can take pictures and the resolution is very, very good.
That's very good.
I like it so very much.
Smell very.
B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry.
Good na. Okay. So, ano yung nagagawa mo dyan?
With this one, because you know, actually, there is a setting for this for video recording, which makes your video upload ready.
Upload ready?
Yes.
Kasi hindi lang pala mga pictures ang pwede mong i-upload ka agad, kundi pati video.
Yes, video uploading and uploading, everything else.
So, pwede mo i-upload sa Twitter, sa Facebook.
That is right. But we're gonna go there later. Wait a minute.
Okay.
So what you do first is, you just fix the setting,
Okay.
and then you take a 30-second video, and then you're good to go. You're good to go.
That's exactly what you need bilang isa kang yun yung hobby mo, di ba? Pag-video ng mga videos para sa YouTube. Perfect para sa'yo!
It's so perfect. So, once you do that, you're done with the video recording, you upload it straight to your YouTube account. Which is so very convenient for me. Did you want me to show you how to do that?
Pag sinabi mong YouTube account, so ibig sabihin pwede ka mag-login dyan.
Yes, you can log in.
Login ka dyan.
Log in here, and then it's gonna connect automatically to your YouTube.
To your YouTube.
YouTube, yes.
Dalawa daw yung account.
It's plural in my world.
It's plural
It's
everything.
plural in my world. There's S.
It's plural everything in your world. Okay, makita mo kung paano.
So here, let me show you. You just turn it on first so it can look realistic. Okay. So let's pretend I'm doing that.
Okay.
See? So it's so very, very easy.
Alright.
You can upload your videos anytime, anywhere. It's so very convenient. Anytime, anywhere, anywho, anybody, anyone, anything. Yes, anything.
Okay, siguro maganda kung i-upload na yung video mo.
Yes, so, and now, here. This is not actually the first time I use this camera. So let me show show you my video, my newest tutorial using this Samsung smart camera, the WB150F.